the view as far as the Unity Mall issue is concerned, where the quota nahi dila hua.
See, the district court has gone technically saying that instead of the video, the order should have been passed by the deputy director. That's the only issue. District court has not said that the structure is illegal or the construction is illegal. He has said that you can go to the appropriate authority and get the permission and start the construction.
But
So it's only a technical glitch or hitch. It's nothing on merits. The district court has not said that it is illegal or anything. Every permission is there, it is in accordance with law. So I don't think there is any problem.
so there won't be problem, you feel?
As far as project is concerned, I don't see any problem. That project will come. It is absolutely it's a legal project and it's a national project. It can't be stalled like this.
That this will be challenged now? Challenge?
See, there is a choice. It can be challenged also, and there is a choice also. It says that you can take a permission and start construction. The
So
district court itself says that you get a fresh permission and start the
So
construction.
government need not worry about this.
No need to worry about
So what happens to people who are protesting against it? IJ protests.
it. See, everybody has a right to protest, but I am saying what is legal and what is illegal and what is permissible and what is not permissible. There is no legal impediment insofar as this project is concerned, and it's a national project. See, every project has opposition, all that is there. Environmental issues are raised. They have to be considered also, you can't ignore them also. But national projects cannot be stalled like this.
But what about that eco-sensitive zone,
It is not an
wetland?
eco-sensitive zone. Everything has been considered.
Wetland ba hamta
Everything
lake
has
kahan
been
se?
considered.
Ah.
In fact, there is a letter from the wetland authority also saying that neither it falls within the wetland nor it falls within the buffer zone. So there is nothing. Very same thing was argued in the High Court, and High Court did not entertain the petition. Now this is only technical issue as to whether the BDO should have issued a direction or whether it is the deputy director.
So
That's all.
So you mean to say there is no much merit in that?
There is no merit. There is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Because twice they tried to get the stay from the High Court, which they failed. So
Thank you.
thank you.